Hi everyone, it's Miss Butt here with Year 5's Flipped Classroom. As you can guess, we are doing fractions. So, you've got to remember, when the denominators are the same, all we have to do is subtract or add the numerators. And to find the equivalent of a given fraction, we either have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, if you have 3/15, they equal 1/5, because if I divide 3 by 3, the answer is 1. And if I divide 15 by 3, the answer is 5. So I get 1/5. We're going to do the opposite with 2/4. With 2/4 is exactly the same as 4/8, because I am multiplying the 2 by the numerator and the denominator by 2 to get 4/8. And the same with 8/16 and 16/32. I'd like you to try your own equivalent. And then I'd love you to show me. But first of all, we're going to remember how we did our mixed numbers. So what is 13/7? I'd like you to get a piece of paper and a pen, and I'd like you to try and working it out. I'm going to help you with the first one though. So I want you to remember how many 7s go into 13, how many are left over, and then look at the denominator. I'm going to give you a moment, and then I want you to flash those answers at me, and then I'll give you the answers. So pause the video. Fantastic. So the answer was 1/6/7 because 7 goes into 13 once. There's 6 left over and the denominator is 7. The same with 14/5. 5 goes into 14 twice because 5 times 2 is 10. There's 4 left over and the denominator is 5. And the same with 10/6. It goes once into 10. There's 4 left over and we have the denominator, which is 6. So I'm really proud. Give yourselves a pat on the back and a huge clap if you got that right. Now, if you have a look, I want you to match the image to the correct answer. I'd like you to have a couple of seconds. I want you to quickly write the answer, what you think it could be. I'm going to give you a little hint. Count the squares, different colors. Let's see. You could pause the video and write down the answer really quickly. Well done. If you got 1 and 1/7 correct, I am so proud of you. Well done. Right, so we're going to complete the calculation that is represented by the image below. So I want you to count how many squares there are in total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're in fifths. Look at the different colors. So what would be the first fraction represented? Count them, the light green ones. That's right, so it is 4/5. And then we got the green, which is 3 shaded, so it'd be 3/5. Remember, if the denominator is the same, it remains the same. And well done, we have to just add the numerator. So 4 and 3 is 7, we got the 5th. Now it is an improper fraction, so we have to make it a mixed fraction. So remember, how many 7s go into 5? Once. There's 2 left over and 5. I want you to pause the video and give me an answer. Remember, the denominators are the same. All we have to do is take it away. Have you written the answer down? Well done, it is 8/9. Giles drinks 9/11 of his milk and Ginny drinks 8/11 of her milk. So how much milk have they drunk altogether? I want you to write down the answer and let's see if you can do this. I know you can, because the denominators are the same and it's very simple. If you're really stuck, use that chart, the squares. That's correct. They have drunk 1 whole and 6/11, because if you can see on the top, they're all colored in. And there are only how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6/11. So Trisha is calculating the missing numerator in the following calculation. So the denominators are exactly the same. Use your chart. Let's see if you're smart enough to write down the answer. I'm going to pause the video, or you pause the video, and let's see if you can do this. Is she correct? Thumbs up if she is, or thumbs down if she isn't. If you wrote incorrect, well done. She's incorrect because the numerators need to total 15. So the denominators are the same, so they're 12. And if we multiply 12 by 1, it's 12, and we add the 3, which makes 15, so it'll be 15/12. So it should be 8. So if you got that right, superb, well done. Now, for what I'd like you to do is, I want you to try and work out what you could add in those numbers to make a subtraction question. I'd like you to work these out, and I'd like you to show me, and then I will give you the answers when you come in. I'm really proud of you guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.